Students, this is the poem which is written by Pablo Neruda. The name of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly. We have studied this poem in the class, half of the poem, I think. Now, you have to prepare it on your own at your home due to lockdown, I show you first the meaning of the unknown words. That words are unknown to you. Write down the meaning of that words in your textbook. Say it carefully. The Marathi meaning is given here. Now see here. The meaning of you start dying slowly given here. Cease to be living fully, losing hope of happy future. That means cease means stop. You start dying slowly in Marathi की तुम्ही जीवन तुमचं आनंदाने सुखाने जगणं थांबेल अशामुळे कशामुळे ते या कवितेमध्ये दिलेलं आहे. इफ यू डू नॉट ट्रॅव्हल, इफ यू डू नॉट रीड, इफ यू डू नॉट लिसन टू द साऊंड्स ऑफ लाईफ, इफ यू डू नॉट ॲप्रिशिएट युअर सेल्फ, you start dying slowly. That is given here. See the meaning of appreciate. That is given here. The next stanza is when you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. The third stanza is if you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. If you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. The last stanza, you see, if you do not change your life, when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe or for the uncertain. The meaning of uncertain is given here. Doubtful, unknown, anishchit. If you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice, you start dying slowly. This is the poem. It is very beautiful poem. I think we have finished this half of the poem in the classroom. Now write down the meaning of the unknown words that is given here. What is the word here? See. Slave. The meaning of slave that is given here. Person without freedom or who is the legal property of another and is forced to obey them. In Marathi, we call it gulam. Hmm. That is given to you. See here. Once again, see the meaning of the unknown words. Now, the appreciation of this poem. See here. The appreciation of the poem. You have to write only uh, 5 points. See here. Good. Don't write the points that are not for your examination. Omit that point and write the points that are to you in your examination point of view, that are important. Write down from this appreciation of the poem. These are the questions. The answer of some questions is written here. See that and write in your notebook or even or in your course book the answer of the questions. See the question fourth. Question number 8 here. See here.